fields of green, the nature thrives, the healing touch of plants arrives. God's gifts to us, pure and free, yet we seek man-made remedies. Oh, why do we turn away from nature's bounty every day? In every herb and leaf we find the cure for body, soul and mind. The ancient wisdom of the earth, a treasure trove of healing worth. Beneath the sun, in the soil deep, Mother Nature's remedies keep. Oh, why do we turn away from nature's bounty every day? In every herb and leaf we find the cure for body, soul and mind. The words of old, the scriptures tell of herbs and plants that make us well. The wisdom written in every page invites us back to nature's stage. Oh, why do we turn away from nature's bounty every day? In every herb and leaf we find the cure for body, soul and mind. So let us embrace the natural art and heal with love from nature's heart. For in God's creation we will find the remedy for all mankind. In every herb and leaf we find the cure for body, soul and mind. In every herb and leaf we find the cure for body, soul and mind. The cure for body, soul and mind. So let's of old the scriptures tell of herbs and plants that make us well. The wisdom written in every page invites us back to nature's stage. So let us embrace the natural art and heal with love from nature's heart. For in God's creation we will find the remedy for all mankind.